is more for the IT crowd, and I have an interview coming up using um, VMware's Aria, which was vRealize. And so one of the best ways to prep for these tools is to show the prospective employer that you know how to use them, and others can benefit from my exercise here. So I did download the VMware Aria OVA, which is used to install this onto ESXi. I've been running ESXi here for a long time. You can see VMware ESXi that I have running on a small Levato desktop computer. Anyway, so this was installed by creating a new machine, and then simply I uploaded the, well, here on storage. If I go here to the storage tab, you can see what I've loaded on this machine. Take a look at the data store here. I want to kind of get rid of that thing there. There we go. Okay, so you can browse data store here, and you can see where those are all the VM folders. And these are all the binaries or the OVAs that I can use to create various systems. And right now I do it manually because I'm not using vRealize. So this is all I can install. And one of these, of course, is going to be the Aria binary here, if I can see it. It's here somewhere. Anyway, that's right here. So this binary here is what I used. It's 3.12 gigabytes. It's an OVA file. You can see it listed right here. All right, so I installed that and just let it run. I'm not even sure how long it took, but it installed. So there it is, and it says open a browser here. Your appliance is ready, so let's follow that instruction and see how it goes. So here's the appliance right there running along, and do I want express installation? I guess I can always change the stuff. Let's go with new because it gives us more options probably. And take a look. Okay, a cluster. I don't think I want a cluster. I want it as simple as possible. So administrator, product, license. Okay, we have a license, I think. Nodes. Next. All right, some account here. Just put in some simple password. It's not going to work because it's too short. Okay, well, like that. What doesn't like about this? 8 characters, 1 number, blah, blah, blah. Must not match username. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, let's just put something in here. It likes that. It's my standard password, which I guess isn't so good. Okay, that's in there. Certificate, do I care? I don't want to put a certain, gonna use the default. Enter general settings, cluster node name. I could put an NTP server in. An NTP is a time server, so let's do a cluster node name. Area cluster, a primary. Do something like that. NTP server address. I think I can use time.apple.com for this thing. Let's see if that'll work. Ping. I think that'll work. Yep. Okay, let's get that. I never put in the name. This doesn't usually work. All right, add it. I guess I can add a few of them. Time.windows.com. Let's put that in there. Okay, there we go. That might be enough for now. Okay, what else does it want? That's it. Next. Okay, on full capacity availability nodes. I don't want that because I'm only a single node cluster, which is not really a cluster. Okay, add nodes. Do I want to add nodes? Do I want to add nodes? Current cluster role. Probably gotta add one, I'm thinking. No, maybe not. What if I don't do this? All right, ready to complete. Start the cluster. Let's see if it'll go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there goes the node. I probably should have put in one node. So sometimes you prepare for these interviews with what the client's using and you want to show that you can operate it and have a complete experience with it, which is what I'm trying to do here. This is actually a pretty slick tool. Let's see if we can get on here. Okay, log in. That's a good sign. Cluster's not started. Start area operations. So this is an administrator console, it looks like. And we'll start the cluster. Let's see if it'll go. Boom. First startup. So I'm hoping I can work off the cluster directly. It might require nodes. Okay, there's a primary cluster starting up. It's probably going to init the database. Why is it complaining about that? Okay, no, I don't want to put in LDAP. Let's get this guy going. Okay, I don't want HA yet. Looks like it is on. I guess I'll turn on SSH to log into the cluster if I want to get onto it. Okay, so what does this all mean? It's going online. It's probably stressing out my small node here. Let's see if I can find my page. Well, I can hear the fan spinning up on my laptop, so it's really requiring resources here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, it looks like my CPU is pinned here on my node. Oh, that's life in the big city, right? Memory is, it's taking a lot of memory too. And this is a small instance. Network, nothing. Disk is working hard, not that hard. Okay, so it's CPU bound. And coming down. Let's take a look here. Going online. Looks like it's not set up for PST time zone. It's probably GMT. I guess we could log on to here for grins and see what happens. Let's see if that'll work. Since we have SSH turned on, see what this thing is doing. Actually, I want to go on there as admin, I think. It's probably root. Oh, lets me on there. What's it doing? What's this thing doing here? It doesn't use much. So it's using 194 gig for a database, which I guess isn't so bad, considering that's where it's going to put everything. Nothing like that. Is this thing Ubuntu? It is not. This could be BusyBox or something like that. Yep, it's something small, that's for sure. It's probably BusyBox. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. And it's set up as what? 20, and let's say it's PDT. That's good. Okay, it says we're online. And that's good. Okay, we're still going online, so let's see what happens when it finishes. Looks like it's going to want to update. Well, this is easier than setting up vCenter, that's for sure. This thing probably wants vCenter too. In which case, I'm not sure I have enough horsepower for it. Alright, yeah, it's using Java, which I was warned about. I thought they went to something else in the new one. Yep, wow, it's a huge Java interface. Huge. Java runtime environment, VMware 11. Wow. So much for that. And we're still going here. Alright, this probably isn't really too useful to you folks. This may take a long time, so I'm going to conclude the video, but that's how to get vRealize/Aria up and running using an OVA file. So I hope this was helpful to you. Looks like it's watching paint dry right now. Alright, thanks, have a good day.